I'm back with another video. Ooh, I need another, okay. But anyway, that ain't what the video about, you know what I'm saying? I need to get that tattoo. But listen, today the video is about, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I clean my firearm and how I customize it. It's not really customized, it's like a little homemade customized. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how I customize my gun, how I got my symbols white, my lettering white, but I'm gonna be changing it today to another color, hopefully, if I have it. But I'm gonna be showing y'all how I take loose my gun and cleaning it, showing y'all how I clean it and customize it. So, you know, I always wear gloves. You know, gotta keep a pair of hospital gloves. You know what I'm saying? Got my little toolbox. You can find this at, I find mine at Walmart. You know, you can find that Walmart has it comes with like little napkins and stuff. You see, I've been using a lot. When I get bored, I clean guns and, you know, make sure all screws tight. Currently I have Glock 23 Gen5 40 cal. Like I said, I am concealed carry, so I do know all gun safety. So let me set this up and I'll get right back with y'all. Peace. That build up. I don't think I shot this gun since years. Need a you know, let me know if y'all want a gun range video. Which probably y'all can get anyway because we soon will be going to the gun. So I gotta do all that. As you can see, I had the white. The white lettering. Right here. I didn't do it right here because that's my first time. I want to see how it looks. What did I do on the barrel? But this time I'm gonna do it on the barrel. And I'll see the slap. So about a year ago, I think about this, I did it. But I seen it on YouTube. Thinking it might not come. That's on there. Y'all didn't get to see the part that I got it. I got it clean as possible. It's clean, but it just, I had it on there for like almost a year. But this is what this is gonna get. As a mystery me doing that, I low key had already cleaned it up. Low key. As I wiped everything out. And the second time. Take my barrel and I'm using alcohol. I use alcohol. You know, alcohol kill germs. So, wipe everything down real good. Try not to be as rough. Keep that. Old debit card like 2 years ago, so you can try to steal the number if you want to, do whatever, but I promise you ain't nothing on the card. If it were, I promise you I wouldn't be using it. So you wanna, okay, you got your firearm. Today colors I'm gonna be using orange. I'm gonna be using orange and yellow. That's why I said orange. I'm gonna be using orange and yellow. You gotta get like some high price fingernail polish. Don't get no don't go to Dollar Tree. Think you gonna get the same outcome. I promise you it won't work. I've tried it and it did not go as planned. So you wanna get fingernail polish on there. Let it sit for a little bit. And what the card is for it. That's why you must have fingernail polish. Fingernail polish remover, you're gonna move it out the barrel of the gun. It's better to use than alcohol. I mean to slide out to my barrel. So serve, but dang, but I feel slow. So you take them. See when you like that right there? And then pause remover. Red. It's white. I ended up using the yellow because the orange was lighter than yellow, and the yellow actually does look better to me. You know, tell me how y'all like it in the comments. And I even did barrel as well. Before I put it together, I have to oil it. And you know, I'll let y'all opinions in the comment section. Open my comment section up so y'all can give me some suggestions. Some people run their guns dry. I actually got a friend that run his gun dry, but me personally, I rather run mine. Lubed up, oiled. That way I won't have no malfunctions. So I don't see him right here driving. Malfunctions, something I'm not trying to have. I mean, it's all up to you really however you like your gun. I like mine. To me it's more better to run it, you know, oil clean gun, you know, keep everything, keep the dirt out of it. Shoot, I even put oil on the outside just to give it a little shine. Yeah, give it a shine. Especially now. It's all about the people where they want to do it.
Hey, listen.
So I'm gonna put this thing together for y'all. The results. And tell me how y'all like it. Is it a W? Is that a W? Yeah. Is that a W, gang? Come on now. Is that a W? Come on, Goon gang. Is that a W, Goon Squad? Still clear, you know. No. Ain't like it finna rain, man. I came outside to show y'all a better view of it. It look like it do glow in the dark. No, is it a L or W? Guys, let me know in the comments. Shooting range video coming soon, man. This is my everyday carry. Concealed, registered, and licensed to carry. And I'm gone. Peace.
Hey, listen.